In a world where cities are growing and the pressure on our energy supply is increasing, we are looking for smart, sustainable solutions for the energy transition. Along our waters, between technology and nature, Energiedamwand Nederland is working towards a future in which our water-abundant land is the beating heart of our innovation. There, on the banks, lies an infinite source of heat, water. By using the 100% circular steel energy sheet pile, we are not only protected from the dangers of water, but also exploits the opportunities in terms of completely CO2 neutral heat generation. This is where it all begins, the production of our patented energy sheet pile. The sheet pile, used for soil and water retaining walls, is fitted with collectors which are later filled with a special liquid, glycol, turning an ordinary steel sheet pile into an energy sheet pile. The steel collectors are linked together with grouped pipes. By doing so, the energy sheet pile offers a solution for both large and small power demands. In addition to different key lengths, the energy sheet pile can also be used for a variety of water depths. After production is when the journey begins. Our energy sheet pile is transported to a location with a sustainable heat demand, such as a large industrial estate. At the key of this industrial estate, vibration and/or pressure is used to install the sheet pile in the ground. Meanwhile, the trench is dug towards the distributor, after which it too can be placed underground. The pipes from the groups in the sheet pile are then connected to the distributor. The distributor connects the pipes to two main lines, supply and return, to the heat pump located in the building, resulting in free energy being extracted from the surface water. Are there existing sheet piles already in place? Then they can be equipped with our modular energy sheet pile, so that these sheet piles also become a reliable source of energy. The modular energy sheet piles are placed in the sheet piling chambers. They then dig the same trenches as when installing a new energy sheet pile. Besides being directly connected to individual buildings, the heat source can also be directly connected to a low-temperature heat network. In doing so, entire residential areas can be easily heated all year round. And when everything is connected to the heat pump, you won't see a thing. Just a neatly finished key with a sustainable energy solution underneath. From apartment complex to residential area and from business park to harbour site. Since 2018, Energiedamwand Nederland has been bridging the gap between existing infrastructure and an innovative source of heat. Today, we accompany your project with expert advice from initial design to actual implementation. The future lies at your key.